All prisoners return to your accommodation for lockdown. All prisoners return to your accommodation for lockdown.
Freedom! We're out! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cat Life. I'm Adina, and we're here at
Alcatraz!
That's right, folks. We're doing the Alcatraz City Cruise Tour. Now, this is the official cruise for Alcatraz, so if you see any other websites out there offering it, they may not actually drop you off at the island. So what we're doing is we're going to head up to Pier 33. That's where the ferry loads you up. So let's head on over. To book your tickets, it's advised to purchase in advance as the ferry is timed. So we're obviously taking the day tour. They offer a variety of different tour options, including a night tour as well. There's also snacks available to purchase on the ferry. Now it does take about 15 minutes one way to get to the island. And while you're headed, enjoy the beautiful views.
This will be a quick introduction to the island, starting in just a few moments as we have most
Really important when people started modifying and using. It wasn't very important because it was just covered in birds. There's no fresh water here.
They actually have really beautiful landscaping all around here.
What's down here?
I don't know. Everyone's looking down though, so nothing.
Oh, Daddy, there's a cat.
There's a cannon here? Go ahead, show me.
Look, over there.
Whoa. The cool thing about this place is you can freestyle and go wherever you want, stay however late you want as long as the ferries are still leaving from here. So they do have set timings. Every 30 minutes a ferry leaves, so just make sure you check out the departure times. It is steep climb, just be warned. It's equivalent to climbing up 13 stories is what we're told. They do have trams for people that need it. They got areas where you can sit down and catch your breath. All right, we made it, I think, to the cell house. We have the audio tour here. What is this? Oh, they got a little map. Scary. All right, we got the audio tour all set up, ready to go. When you enter, it's a freestyle tour. Go at your own pace. Of course, you can follow the guide on the headphones as it guides you through and explains in depth. They also open up some of the cells to get a closer look inside. Now the tour guide is fun. It'll explain some of the famous inmates like Frank Morris in cell 138 who escaped and may have drowned. Cell 402, during the May 1964 escape attempt, Officer Miller was held hostage in this very cell. And just a handful of inmates highlighted throughout the entire tour, including Al Capone. Now, while all the cell blocks look very similar, there's another area next to it allowing you to look at the solitary confinement, or also known as the hole. Limited light, food, and human interaction. Other areas you can check out and walk through is the library at the end of D Block. Nearby was also the visitation area. So if you have someone visiting you, they would sit on that side, you would sit on this side. So you can only talk to them that way. You can also head outside, where you'll find public restrooms and the famous Lighthouse. Constructed in 1854, the first lighthouse built on the US West Coast. This area is also a great place to take in all the views. Upon exit, you'll drop off your audio guide and pass through the gift shop. There you go. You had a good time here, huh? Yeah, you don't even know what you saw. You know that's a prison, right? You know what a prison is? You're just happy you got a souvenir. What you get? Souvenir of Alcatraz Island?
Yeah.
Yeah. How was it?
Good.
It was fun, right? It was a good experience. How was it though? Was it scary?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't want to ever go in there, right? Yeah, it was creepy in there, scary. Hard to imagine people actually stayed in there. But I don't feel bad for them.
It smells.
They were bad people. It smells in there? Yeah, it still smells in there. I'm sure it is haunted.
That's because they use the bathroom a lot.
Too many toilets in there?
Yeah. The whole place smells.
Yeah, no, the whole place did smell. You get used to it once you're in there. With that, I think we're gonna call it a day here. Expect to spend about 2.5 to 3 hours at Alcatraz. Yeah, the best part is you can do everything at your own pace, so you can easily spend more than that. But the ferries leave every 30 minutes, so we're gonna try to catch the next one all the way down this ramp. Thankfully, the line to go back isn't as bad as it was earlier. It's about 3:30 p.m. When we arrived around 1 o'clock, it was definitely a lot more crowded. Well, there you folks have it, Alcatraz. If you guys have any questions about this place, ask this guy down below. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching.
Bye-bye, subscribe.